Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Apple is going to be releasing their face computer at some point in the future. The Vision Pro, the Vision Pro Plus Premium, whatever it's going to be called. We know we're going to need software, and this is what they're saying now. Vision OS, the platform, the beta will include the App Store this fall, and by default, iPad and iPhone apps will be published automatically on the Vision Pro App Store. I don't know how I feel about that, and here's why. It's not that I'm not looking forward to wearing a computer on my face for as long as I can. It's not that I think they're chasing wild dreams that they shouldn't be chasing. It's that anytime I have used an iPhone or let's say an iPad app on a device that it wasn't necessarily built for, it hasn't been a great experience. And when you have a not so great software experience, that translates directly into not having a great hardware experience. That's my concern with the Vision Pro. So it may launch with thousands, if not billions of apps. Maybe that's a bit egregious, but I fear that the software they're going to be promoting won't be optimized for the platform that they're developing. I understand they're caught in a, putting the cart before the horse situation, chicken or the egg, which came first. So how did they get past that? This is one way. But another way, in my estimation, would be to double down on the experiences that are specifically built for wearing the computer contraption on your face, looking directly at it with the screen mere millimeters from your eye. That makes sense. That would make a compelling experience. I would rather have 10 well-optimized apps than 10,000 iPad and iPhone apps on a computer that you have strapped to your face.